Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, before I tell you what I'm doing, I got a full house here today on that beautiful hatch, working on this hatch and doing some customization to my buddies here. Hit like, hit, share, subscribe to this channel. And on this one today, I'm working on putting the brake lines together and make sure that what I want the brake line to be on this boy here, 2004 Civic. We are doing the intake on it. Take a little bit more horsepower out of it, or look cooler. Front, this is the brand. Right there, that's the part number. And that's what we're doing. And then what we have in the hatch in the shop, this beautiful hatch right here. You've seen this hatch in another YouTube channel, on Tonic YouTube channel. And you got a nice, beautiful turbo. Oh, I know you guys loving this, huh? I know time to import right there, did the downpiping and all that. Tuning is doing test, hook up all the things, but this hatch looks pretty nice. If you want to see more about this hatch, let us know. And but today we want to work on that real quick. All right guys, so you can see this is all the system is very old, very rusted. And we're thinking about all these rusted bolts out. Hopefully none of them breaks. Another one right here. All right guys, so look at the mess of oil this car has, but we already took it out. We took that out. That thing is like a box compared to this. And cable tranny, that's cool. Okay, swap this bitch. So let's take a look at this real quick. Let's see what this is. Okay, looks like open this way, so let's take a look. Oh, let's see. So we got this. Nice. I need one of those. Oh, more parts. That's my boy Damien, and that's an instruction in case you need them. That's how it's supposed to look like, so let's make it look like that. Here, hold this. There we go. And what's this? More instructions.
There's a lot of parts right here.
The what?
There's a lot of parts.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. Right there. That's it. That's the
that's it.
The connector. So let me see the. All right, guys. This kit's very easy to do. It does come to everything you guys need. It mounts right here in the bottom. It does have this right here. It comes with a nice hose in the corner with a brand on it, and it's about $200 for this, right? Around there.
You 170.
Now he got the. Guys, that's a quick video on this and on this 2004 Civic. Let's see what else we can do later on to it, right? Remember to hit like, and share, and subscribe to this video.